In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos from your Android to your laptop. So let's do it. So very first, you just need a cable that's on-site connect on my mobile. Here you can see, and another side connect on my laptop. So after connect, here you can see there have a notification. You simply swipe down and here you can see, just select it. And right now you just need to select file transfer Android Auto. So after select, you just need to go on your laptop and you just need to select this PC. Here you can see. After that, here you can see this is your mobile name. Simply select it and then select the location where you have your photo. So you just need to copy it. So here you can see I just copy from here. Right now go on your laptop drive and then paste it on here. So that's it. In this way, you can very easily transfer photos from your Android phone to your laptop. Thank you everyone for watching.